Here I've got SONY Xperia L4, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first let's open the camera app, and now tap on the settings icon right here, and if you'd like to activate timer, just click on self timer and pick between 10 and 3 seconds option. So let me choose for example 10 seconds, and okay, and let's go back to the camera, and as you can see, now the picture will be taken after 10 seconds delay. And this is it. Then if you would like to turn it off, just tap on the settings again, select self timer, switch it off, and as you can see now, you can grab a photo right after you click. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.